Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search on AliExpress an item by a photo. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you can see at the top of the screen there is that camera icon, so you have to click on that. You have to allow to take pictures and record video, okay, by using the app. And after that you have to scan a QR code or take a photo, or select a photo from your phone. And after that by that photo the app will search and will show you the related items. So yeah, this is a really helpful feature, because if you saw something in another website or something like that, you don't know the name of that item, then you can search here by using or uploading that photo, and the app will search it for you. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.